Hey, yeah, I've got an Abus B padlock here that Potty314 gave me a while ago. The key works nicely. The locking pull can be pushed back. This is the bitting on the key. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The key can only go in this far, and so if I were to draw right about there is where number 5 is. But let me show you something. I'm going to tension it. It's locked. Tension it. If I push this in, I'm not going to apply tension yet. I'm just going to push this in past that dot, well past it, way past it to the back, and then just out a little bit, about there. Going to just about there. I'm going to push up and it unlocks. Okay, so that's there. Do you see how much further I've gone in to unlock this? I don't know why, and I need to push up in one place as well, so I'll do that again, right to the back, about there. Okay, tension a little bit, just very light tension, and push up a little bit and it opens. Okay, so that's right there, and if I was going to mark that spot, okay, and you can see with the key that, because the key only goes up to here, if I go to here, I'm actually pushing something right up here, and I don't know why it works. I don't know why I only have to push that one. Maybe because of the angle, I'm actually pushing number 5 and all the rest are at shear line. I don't know, but it always seems to work. And just to show you, this doesn't open any other way, but again, I push up to go up to there, push up very gently, and it opens. So I'm not quite sure why, but once I found that out, it always seemed to work. Thanks.